Kestap kabasok bat kabakamen ni pibaro kani-kani kado dasan Meghalaya bat ni pediang sobhai pibaro Syaki KHUBOR step. Haswabin poi Syaki KHUBOR kibabnya nginyepet chwai kimat bakongsan. Ka Rural Employment Scheme batamai kan penkieu ya ka jingyok kam sa kasispa apsan sngi penyar ya ka roy kapar bat kilat kamai. An sa beteng ka Meghalaya ya ka jingya kren penbet put bat ka Assam. Buok ka Chief Justice ya umanong rem ya ka jingtay Bapura ya ka East KHASI Hills District and Session Court ha Saudi. Naduk mentah ka sengian sedang terekam ka VBG Ramji Act 1800 ha kari. Bat job salit ke Norway da arla kawai persyak ya ka Ivory Coast. Mentang ya pai shwa Syaki KHUBOR na keleng gejala. Ka Meghalaya Cabinet kala pediang ya ka skim Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 1800 Hakabau Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad K. Sangma upen benar baka sorkar pedeng ka menjur ban ai 6,000 klor tingka na ka benta ka jing penengkam kejala na ka benta ki benai ban ki kendai benai ban wan. Kani ka skim kan mi bujli haka jaka jong ka MGNREGA na du ka shitarek unaitung. Kani ka skim ba themai kan penkieu ya ka sngi yo trei na ka shispa sya ka shispa arpusan sngi bat kan penyar ya ki kam ban trei hadu laispa arpoteli ka bakan thop ya ki surok ka jingtei ya ki school ki Anganwadi centers ki lat yo bela bat ki jing pene pensa ya ka mai mariang. Menteri Rangba ulaong ru ba ya kani ka skim an beitengka na ka hakarukom ka bakhandai phau la shipau hapdeng ka sorkar pedeng bat ka jela bat ukermen ru bakan penkieu ya ka jingyo kam ki jingtei bat kilat kamai ki babiang hakajela.
The first item that we took up was the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2005. As you're aware that this is a new act in place of the MGNREG Act, and this has been enhanced now, and provisions like from minimum working days of 100 to increasing them to 125 days. This has been taken up in the new act, and other aspects of increasing the overall scope of work, where earlier projects like roads and connectivity were not given priority. They are now given priority. Earlier
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad K. Sangma ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kan sa beteng biang ya kejing ya kren bat Kejela Assam hakabaya day bat kejing ya kajia ban penbet ya uput usam hadian kejing bishar ba benia na ki regional committee badang syutung thamai. Sangma ulaong ba ki committee balathong thamai biang day hadian ka jing penkela ya ka kenhun ki menteri jong ka sorkar bat kin sa beteng na ka ba ki riu syamphang bahaswa ki la i no. Ula benrap syuk-syuk baki menteri Rangba jong baro arteli ki jela kin sa penbet kin sa penya ya ka jing ya mir jingmut hadian baka sorkar Assam kala penkre ya ladi. Menteri Rangba ulaong baka sorkar bamenta kala la ban jam syaprang ha ka ban penbet ya kani ka jing ya kajia baladon daki snem bat penskem baka thong hi kalong ban yo ya ka jing syong suk bat ka jing sngothu jingmut lang leng ba ki jing ya kren bat ki jing ya trailang.
Yeah, so basically we had to reconstitute the committees because cabinet reshuffle took place. We were waiting for the meeting because Assam had to expand their cabinet, which happened last month. So I'm pretty sure that once this is done, once they settle down, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam will give responsibilities for the different regional committees to take place. And once the necessary people are in place, the chairman and the committees are in place, definitely both the governments and both Honorable CM of Assam and myself are keen to sit and discuss on this. And we actually are resolving problems. Last time, Lapangap issue would not have been resolved if it was not for the kind of relation we're sharing, the discussions we're having, the kind of seriousness that both sides have. These are complex issues which are there, which don't have a straightforward reply or answer to it. The committees that come in now,
Menteri Rangba Kejala Konrad Ki Sangma Hinin Kasngi Ulaong Baki Jingkren Babnia Ladep Ban Penlong Bat Kinong Yalam Niam Hakabaya Day Bat Kipang Baper Jongka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act Neka FCRA Ulaong Bau Menteri Ketanat Kampo Yeng Jongka Sorkar Pedeng Uladep Ban Wat Yaki Jing Ajing Met Hakabaya Day Bat Kipang Baya Day Kerpang Kiba Kinong Yok Benta Kikwa Ban Penbet Menteri Rangba Ulaong Baka Jingyalang Kala Pende Jingmut Haka paragraf Bakat Riu A Jongka section Basan Jongka Bill Badang Sudah Penbet Thamai Kinonya Simbenta Ki Bakentop Ya Kinong Mi Khmat Na Ki Kenhun Niam Bat Na Kasorkar Jela Kin Salet Sha Delhi Ban Pensngawi Ki Jing E Sha Menteri Ketanat Kampo Yeng Jongka Sorkar Pedeng.
Few days back on 27th of this month, which was a Saturday, I had a meeting with the church leaders. As a follow-up, we discussed in detail about the different aspects of the FCRA. And as the Home Minister had suggested and recommended that he would want specific aspects and specific paras and specific points to be mentioned. So just to share with you, so a para like para 16A or section 5 of the new amended bill mentions about a designated authority, and that if somebody's renewal is not done, this designated authority can take over all the assets. So 16A para 5 clause is something that is of great concern to us. So we discussed all of that, and we have decided that we will go in delegation to Delhi, and we have sought an appointment with Honorable Home Minister. We are expecting a positive response from his office.
Ka Chief Justice Jongka Yeng Kashri Ka Jela Meghalaya Ka Justice Revati Moite Dere Hanin Kasngi Kalabu Ya Umaunong Rim Na Kabenta Ka Jingtay Bapura Ya Ka District and Sessions Court Na Kabenta Ka East KHASI Hills Ha Sauli Maupan Da Kabapen Ya Seriem Ya Kani Kum Kaway Na Kijingja Ka Bansa Nam Pateng Ka Chief Justice Kala Ongru Ba Kani Ka Yeng Kashri Batmai Kan Sapen Klan Ya Ka Rukom Ban Penyo Ya Ka Hok Da Kabapen Biang Ya Kijingdan Kam Katkum Kani Ka Juk Bamenta Ki Kamra Ya Sat An Babun Ka e-filling Ka video conferencing Bat Ka Jing Penbha Ban Penyo Ya Ki Hok Jong Ki Pat Ba Kala Ongru Ba Ka Shillong District Court Ka Bala Adan Lepa Kan Amla Ban Penbiang Lut Ya Ki Jing Dawa Jong Ka Tanat Judiciary Menteri Ketanat An Uba Ala Kemen Rembui Ula Ong Bakan Ni Ka Jingtay Kan Saya Rap Ban Penbha Ya Ki Jingtay Jong Ka Yeng Kashri Ha Ka Jela Bat Kular Ya Ka Jing Beteng Jong Ka Jing Kershan Na Kaliang Ka Sorkar Ban Pendep Biang Por Ya Ka Ni Bat Ban Wanra Ya Ka Jing Shania Ha Ki Pat Ba.
We moved from Shillong to New Shillong because of space constraints. The district court has served us for over a century and is unable to take the load. We are unable to add more courts. Today with time, the caseload has increased tremendously. There is not enough space for judges, lawyers, and most importantly, for litigants for whom the courts exist. No place to stand. Litigants wait under the open sky, be it rain or sunshine. Storing files is a task. Under trial lockups are not safe. We are moving out of necessity. As Oliver Wendell Holmes said, the life of the law has not been logic, it has been experience. Our experience says the old building has given us all that it can. Now justice needs more room to breathe.
Ka kenhuan Menteri Sarkar kala menjor banwan ra jingkala ka bathmu ban penlong ya ka jingthong kam ka ba khuj basuba bat ka ba syong nong rem ha ka merit da ka ba penkala ya ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission Limitation of Functions Regulations khat khandai spa nyopu ar u menteri rangba ka jela konrat ke sangma u ong ba ka kenhuan menteri kala pendam no ya ka regulation 3F ka bahaswa kala ailat ya ka jingthong kam basipor ulo ong ru bakani ka kendon ka yalam cha ka jingthot ha ka jingpenyat kam bat ka jingthong kam ad hoc ka bala slam bat ka jingweng no ya ka kan yalam cha ka jingbe jingrenti ha ka jingthong kam u ong ru ba dakap jingpen bha ya ki rukom thungkam bat ki bot ki balabu bat ka jingpen rung nong trai shu ka bakirki kan dan kam banya lengba ka jingthong kam kontrak tat hadu banda pendap ya ka jingthong kam bapura hakawai kalyang ka ban pentikna ya ka jingya bet bat ka jingkhot hakiru kom thongkam.
Number 6 is the amendment of the Meghalaya Public Service Commission Limitation of Functions Regulation 1972, deletion of Regulation 3F. This decision was a very, very important decision in our efforts to streamline the overall functioning of our personnel department. As you must be aware that there was a provision under the delegation of regulations and the overall functioning of the MPSC, where a rule 3F was always quoted. 3F is nothing but a basic appointment under special circumstances, where if MPSC is not able to complete the recruitment process on time and delays, then there's a special provision through which the cabinet, based on the recommendation of the department, can approve recruitment process being done by the department concerned in their own terms and conditions and temporarily.
Ka National People's Party kayo jingkasyan barat ba hari boy hakaba buon na kinong kitkam jong ka UDP bat Congress kilawan rong sa kaseng haka sngi ba pli ya ka office trekam jong ka kabathamai hanong po block committee kabalong hasajer nong po ki he jong ka NPP kila piyang sobhai kini kidukot bathamai bat kila thong ya kinong kitkam hapo jong ka nongpo block executive committee haga jingdon rengkat ka youth and women's front haga jingai jingkran haga ni jing yalang ki nong yalam jong ka NPP kila ong ba ka jingkiu jong ka jingkasan ki pat ba ya ka seng ka penpau ya ka jingshania jong ki pat ba ha ka seng kila ong ru ba ki nong kitkam jong ka seng ki de banlong ki be ya teli bat ya trailang khnang ba udok u kertong jong ka seng u Dr. DRL nonglat unyo ya kajing job hakani ka election siteng samoy banwan kat ba ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka assembly election ba 8,000 apupra kadang ya syakmat
ba ikong rona ila job yang ka election MDC yang kani kepala kadau kalau ngadang jar kertek bayo ki he kemut pala mo ngidon ki parlok ki bakloi bania kijak Sikenta siteng hagawe ke jangin banlik be meeting de kalihi kedai ke mensin ke bapenlong ye pi kinong job kali ka sngi ngam sno sarong ngasno sarong tang namar bala form ka blog unit hare ngasno sarong pat ba lengba kani ka framework ke bangil adon mentag sngi kin sala ban sekri khamba yakin baik-baik jong kenompok konstruksi. Demanda kasni nilayo ikong rona kung i presiden bat kung ke MDC ke papila penjok ngidon kathong nam taka MP election
u menteri rangba kajela konrat ki sangma hinin kasngi ulaong ba kajela Meghalaya kan thau ya karukom trekam ka bayateli hapo jong u director lani u CEO ban pen bahai ka jing trailang hapdeng kitna trekam lengba ka integrated command and control center ICCC ulaong ba kani kasin jam ka kathmu ban pen khlan ya ka jing trailang ha kapor ba shisha hapdeng kitna trekam kum ki pulit IT ki kampen roisor bat municipal. Usang ma ula benrap bakani ke jing terwa ka kring jingmut na ka model jong ka Hyderabad ICCC ka ba penengkam ya ki rukom pet ngor bat ki rukom ai jing rap kerki ban penbha ya ka jing traikam. Menteri rangba ka jela ula penbena ru ya ka jing temu ban penyar ya ka ICCC Shabar jong ka nongba Shillong ba kentup ya ka Jawai Tura Ribhoi bat nong ston ha habakadau bakani ka rukom trekam kaladep ban yarap ikipulen ban job ya ki katto katni ki mukot duma hakini ki benai baladep. Menteri rangba kejela konrat ke sangma ulaong ba ka sorkar kalong balakloi ban yatreilang bat ka Autonomous District Council da ka baong ba ka sorkar kalong ka bakloi ban yatreilang ban wanra jingkala ha ka sensyar khadar ha ka jingkran hadian ka jingyalang jong ka kenhun menteri menhenen ka sngi lapen syai ba ka sorkar kam ai ya ka jingyarap pisa Henry ka pelaj hasua ya ki benta jong ka pisa jong ka council khanang ban yo ban siu ya ka tulop badang sa konrad ongru bakani ka jing pelaj pisa haswa kadai kumsi benta jong ka jing penkela rengkat ka jing temu ka jing thung ya principal secretary ban pet ya ka jinglong jingman jong ka council kat ba ka Garo Hills bat Giant Hills Autonomous District Council kila pediang ya kani ka jing terwa ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council kala kentat ya kani ulapan paru ke jingkermen babaro ki district council kin salong ki bala ban syania hi halade hakaliang ka pisa tingka.
We had a meeting where we had said that we are ready to work with the district councils for those who want to work with us. And we had said that we are not giving you any money extra from our side, but we are only ensuring that we are able to give a small thing, which is the advance from your share, which is not coming on time and because of which you're not able to pay salaries. Our only condition was that we want to have a principal secretary who would be there from our side. And number two, we would want to see that we have got reforms. And then we say that there are service rules you have to come up with. So those district councils that accepted that offer from our side, we gave that offer. Those who did not want to accept it, which is completely their decision and we respect it, they did not accept it. So the KHASI Hills District Council was not accepted.
Menteri rangba kejela konrat ke sangma ulapen bena ba ka sorkar Maharashtra kala menjur ban ai jaka hakaban senai ka Meghalaya House bathmai ulaong ba ka jaka ka basyongdor kumba nyau phau hadu prapho klur tingka la ai jaka Meghalaya tang hakador nyau klur tingka na ka baong ba ka dei ka jingyo nong na ka benta kejela usangma ulaong ru ba ka Meghalaya House kan yarap haki babuan kiliang bat kan yarap ru ya ki khena puli bat ki brio na Meghalaya ki balet sya Maharashtra ulapan pau baka sorkar Telangana ru kala menjur ban ai jaka hakaban sina saka wei ka Meghalaya House ha Hyderabad bat ya ka jing menjur ansayo no shen.
I'm very happy to inform you that the government of Maharashtra has agreed to give land to government of Meghalaya for the construction of a new Meghalaya House. The land which was there, which was a new land which has been given to us, was at a rate, the market rate was about 90 crores. I had appealed and requested to the Honorable Chief Minister if that land could be given to us at government rate, which is at about 7 crores. And it's obviously a huge difference. I'm happy to inform you that the government of Maharashtra has agreed, and we are getting that land at 7 crores and not at 70 or 80 crores the market rate. And I'm sure that this new land which we're getting in Maharashtra, this is going to be Navi Mumbai side, will be of great benefit to our people, and we expect that we'll be able to create a larger public area for it. I have been very clear with my team that this should be more on a public oriented Meghalaya House, more towards a guest house, more towards allowing students and patients and other people who require that place to come in. So I think that's something that we are really pushing. So
Kawai na kijing kemding kabalaja hakapor arbaji men step henin gasngi hapo jong kasinong mau kli kabahap hapo jong ka mau that raisan CNRD block kalabamdo ya kawai kalong yeng bat sautali kidukan songwai hakamala basajrong ki para marjan anda kilo yoi yakani kila yale marmar ban penlip yakading bat bante lakam ban light na kajing postat jong kading syaki yeng ba marjan namar kajing bom don brio hakapor balaja kani kumta amsyam ladan kanu kajing bensau ki kai pot sedang ki batai ba kani kala banja na kadau jong kajing batai hakaliang ka boarding electric bat baro ki jing don jing em ki basyong dor hadu kumba khat rio lak tingka kila susya penjulor hadian kani kajing ja ki bor penyak shnong kila pentip syaka block office bat uwei ugram sevak u lawan ban jurep yakani kajaka ban khmi yakita ki jing julor baro mentang nya phai syaki khubor na keleng kari Kaan Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Gramin Act 2008 kala trekam hakeleng kijakan nong kendong jongkari India nadu mentang kasngi ke babujili yakaan Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Act 2000 kani kaan bathmai ke bapentiknai ke jingyo bela ke bashispa 2000 sngi hauni usnem mangtingka bat kathmu ban penklan yakilat kamai haki jaka nong kendong penbhai yakayok kakot bat ban penstat yakaroi kapar nong kendong ka senta kalamang kendai pusan hajar rius pa kendai puar klur na ka benta ban pentrikam yaka hauni usnam mangtingka u menteri penroi nong kendong ka sarkar pedeng u Shivraj Singh Chauhan u laong ba baro kijing penkre kila dep na ka benta ka jing kala ka bayat be yat renti da ka ba benrap ba amdei bandon u weiru u nong trei nong kendong u badei hok ban sa klemkam bat bakane ka skim bala penhe kan Krishan ya ka jingthmu jong ka Viksit Bharat 2009 mentang nya phai syaki khubor ya lekai penliam ka Norway ya ka Ivory Coast da ar la ka wei ha ka jingya khun ya ka kala ba lai puar jong ka FIFA World Cup u Antonio Nusa jong ka Norway ula yalam ya ka kenhuan ha ka kala step haswa ba u Ahmad Diallo ula yo ban pen yakha ya ka jing da ka jing tristom jong u ha ka minute ba nyau pusau hadien kani u Erling Haaland ula yo ban thep pat ya ka kul jing job ha ka minute ba prapun riu bat plilat ya ka Norway ban jam sha ka kala ba khat riu Hakaway na kijing ya kunpat ka France kala yo ban penliem no ya ka Sweden da lai la not hapo New Jersey Stadium da kani kijing job ka France kala yo ban jam shakhamat shakala ka bakhat riu ha ka ba kan saya kendo bat ka Paraguay ha Philadelphia Mentara singi ka sitarik unaitung irakhi ya ka National Doctors Day hakaleng ka ri ban nyau buram ya ka jingno senyang bakrau jung ki doktor ba ki start ki bapet ya ka koit ka khia ka balong ru ka jingkan mau ya ka lengkhu singi kha bat singi yap jong wei ni kinong sumar ba paunam bat menteri rang ba barim ka West Bengal u Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy kapang jong menta usnam behind the mask who heals the healers lapen le jung mon halor ka jingman bha jong ki nong sumar ki bala IT ya la ka jing em ha ka ban shakri ya ki wei Haga jing yakran bat UDDK Meghalaya ka Dr. Levika Kahit kawai na ki medical specialist ha Reed Provincial Chest Hospital ka lakentu ya ki pat ba ban wat barabor ya ki jing sumar ha kapor ka babyang kalau ongru ba watla ka AI kalong ka tiar badam dor ha ka tenat ka kot ka khia kan omla apat dalilai ban kelyang ya ka jing sngolam bat ka jing isin ai jong ka mensim brio ba ha ki doktor bat ki brio batrei ha ki lat ai jing sumar tunginya pet menta ya ka ai ka ba idon ban ong
kani ka sni la rakhe la pen sa kan mau namar udan u Dr. DC Roy mo ubade u doktor u bala pautam ha haki por ki barim u bala deiru u chief minister jong ka West Bengal but nadu ka kasnem khat khandai spa khandai phweng ni asang ban rakhe ya kani ka sni ban pen kan mau ya ka jing tre shitam but ya ka jing chakri jong ki doktor Pat kumno ki la ban pen kiu ya ka kwat ka khia om tang haki haka hasar pat ru palakta ya ka jing kiu ya kanika kwat ka khia shi kinong kendong mo ti kumbangi tip hakani ka sni ni kwa ban pen kinmau ya ki breu ba kani ka National Doctors Day ngi kwa ban kentu i pat ba bakin wan chakmat mo namar bon ngi i ki breu kim kwa ban tip yaki jingpang kamtam li habakim don ki dak kishin tini kwa ban kentu ba lada pila ban wan chaki hospital ni komantang i don ki health and wellness centers ni don ki sub center PHC CHC ki bala ro ban le ki test ki babon ki bala ban yo ya kani ki ban yo jing tip halor ki jingpang ki babon ti ngakin tu ipi pinwan chakman katari kawai sakawai kalong ba ngi kum ki doktor ngi ai shakri ya kani ka ya kalong ka kam ka bangi ai jik shakri ya ki jat binriu henre ngi don kam ru ka jinge trailang bat ki brio baro namar ba klem ka jinge trailang ngi lumran ka kanung kiyo ka kot ka khia ha ka jala jungi te sakawai kumangi tip how new stem ka don kata ka theme na ka banta ka ni ka National Doctors Day ka baong behind the mask who cares who be ka to ka theme behind the mask who heals the healers kamot ba manu ba yaki doktor manu bala banpin ban chakri yaki mo ho ni ai chakri ni ai jik chakri yaki breu henre manu pat bala ban yarap yangi manu ban smooth ho yaka yaka jik mo jik berkhat jongi kamtam le ki breu ki berkhat bale se ki doktor barok khat ki don ka met ka kwat bakya lani ki habit bantri apa saw kanta henre ngiru ngide dang ki breu ngidon ka bor kum manga mapi ti ngide ban smooth ho yaka bor jong ki wei pat ti ngakentu yapi ba ni kum ki doktor ru ngile kat bala bangin chakri yapi ti phiru kum ki breu ki ban don kata ka jing so tho bat ka jing solam mo abangi ngi ai ka jing chakri le se kala ban don ka jing duna hang yang tai henre la da fila ban smooth ho e kata ban smooth ho bat ban don nu ka dokti nang ba kanya bet ka jing chakri ha kani ka jing ai jing suma joni
Mentopat nginya pe ka jinglong jingman ka sun beneng hak keleng ki benta jong ka jela. Hatura ka jing kriat kalong 8% degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 9 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw mentang ka sngi kalong new phlai na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong khat 0.5 mm. Haba pai pat chenong ba Shillong ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka haw mentang ka sngi kalong prapu a na ka shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 1.1 mm. Kat bah jawai pat ka jing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius bat ka jing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius ka jing singam ka haw mentang ka sngi kalong prapulai nak shispa ka jing hap slap kalong 0.9 mm. Kandon ka jing hap slap ba malu mala bat ka jing tiet upar that habun ki jaka Hatura Shillong bat jawai. Haswa ban poi sya ka bakut ngin ya pet biang sa sisien ya kimat bakongsan. Ka Rural Employment Scheme bertemai kan penkiu ya ka jing yok kam sya ka sispa arpusan sngi penyar ya ka roi kapar bat kilat kamai. An sa beteng ka Meghalaya ya ka jing ya keren penbet puat bat ka Assam. Buok ka Chief Justice ya mau nong rem ya ka jing tai Bapura ya ka East KHASI Hills District Session Court ha Saudi. Nadu mentua ka sngi an sedang terekam ka VBG Ram G Act 8,000 hakari. Bat job salit ka Norway da ar lakaway Persia ya ka Ivory Coast. Tiapodlok katung ila poi sa kabakut jong katup khubor ke jongi tat hadu bagina yasham yang bat pi shibet hakapor janmir khuble ya pi baro.